7 days. What is it that you prove? This working 24 hours. If they are companies, they can make their shifts two times shifts, so that they reach the amount or the agreed production by at the end of the week. It is not a must that we work for 6 days a week. Even 5 days a week. We can work for 4 days a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, people are free. People are working. Even the kids are free. That is when we let even the teachers, do their tuition, do what. No matter, depending on who has time. It is no bad thing. These other things we ignore, but they are being practiced in the very developed countries. Ile kitu nataka kuambia ni kwamba kama my brother Sakaja, ile kitu ya kwanza, yeye hata ndio anaweza kuwa mkono ya mbele, ambie Mr. President, hapa vile kunaenda sio kubaya, if you really love Mr. Ruto, because you are in the same government. I think you always associate sometimes together. So you are one of the allies telling him this and this is going the wrong direction. And I will be telling you, pointing fingers to you concerning all these issues, from the number 1 to the number 10, as I promised. The number 1, toa wazee kwa kazi, wale wa 55 years old. Watu watanifikiria vibaya, but it is the truth. Hawezi kaa kwa kazi mpaka ufike 75, 80 huko, sijui 70 ya nini. By 55, if you have not invested, if you have not done anything profitable, anything that can bring you some more income after you retire, then you have a problem. You will be given like 3 months. Those are the things you should do. You give them 3 months notice, you make them retire. They will create a vacancy job of around 5 million in all the counties. Then you make sure counties, only people around the county first benefit with any project that comes from the government. If it is the job, if it is the development from construction and all that, the chief of the area